In the morning you go. You're welcome.
Listen carefully. If you do exactly as I say, I can get you out of here.
What?
This is a rescue. I'm helping you escape.
Why are you helping me?
Because it's the right thing to do.
You need a pilot.
I need a pilot. Can you fly a TIE fighter?
I could fly anything.
Good. We're heading to the hangar.
Oh, 2187. When you're done with this rugged, handsome prisoner, we should catch up.
Hey, 2187. Good to see you.
Wait. This is a server room.
Is that bad?
We can disable the alarm system from here.
That's good.
Bet you never thought we'd be pushing buttons on the finalizer, huh?
Big time button pushing boys now. Hey, why do they call it the finalizer anyway?
So it's smooth sailing from here, right?
Not quite, but at least they can't call for backup.
Hey, this way is a lot easier. No troopers.
Nothing about this is easy. What is wrong with you? And keep your voice down.
Well, it's easier than shooting our way through. You need to lighten up.
That TIE fighter over there.
So how we plan this?
I only planned as far as get to a TIE fighter.
Okay, we can do this. And live. I think.
You ain't pilots. Only the coolest, most hotshot pilots can be up here.
Hey, are you the ballet guys? I just need to get my TIE fighter back real quick. Hey, what's your name?
FN2187.
FN, huh? Finn. I'm gonna call you Finn. Is that all right?
Finn. I like that. Once we disconnect these cables, we're out of here.
First, we're going back to Jakku. I left my droid down there.
No, no, no! We can't go back to Jakku!
That droid's got a map that leads straight to Luke Skywalker.
Skywalker?
That's not good.
Poe!